all these municipalities out here east of Seattle, they're all very lavish. They have huge buildings. They're like art museums. There's got to be a lot of money going into these places. I've been to a couple out here before, and they're usually like this too. Dead quiet. These municipal complexes here. Oh, this is the parking lot we were just at. They house the police department, which in this case has a contract with the King County Sheriff's Office. And they house the courts and City Hall, which is closed. Right here we have a community center, City of Sammamish Community and Aquatic Center. That's what that is down there. It is very cold outside. I should have brought gloves. This is the public library. Looks like it's also closed. Must be an easy job working out here. Everything's closed. You're in public service, but the public can't come in the buildings. And they can't request any services. Everything's closed, huh?
Huh?
Everything's closed. Is it gonna open back up sometime? I thought I was gonna get a tour of
this.
this.
At some point it'll open up again, but I have no idea when.
How long has it been closed? Since the beginning?
March of 2020.
Really?
Yep.
Holy crap.
Yeah. I have not heard anything about. They're supposed to get a 30-day notice when they're going to open it back up to the employees, and as far as I've heard, they haven't put that out to the employees yet.
Did you say open back up to the employees?
No, there are some employees, but they're going to tell them, they're going to give them 30 days notice before the building opens to the public again.
Oh, okay, but
that notice hasn't gone out.
Wow.
So,
yeah, I was walking around, and I was gonna look inside the comments and check it out, kind of do a tour.
yeah.
And the coolest thing I saw was your bike here.
Oh, yeah.
But
That's usually the case.
yeah. Yeah, all right, well, have a nice one.
You too, man. Take care.